So children, now in this video we will be discussing about the endomembrane system. As you know in the cell that every cell organelle is actually bounded by the membrane. Here you can see the all organelles are bounded by membrane and they are separate from other. But even then some of the organelles are included in the endomembrane system. And what all those cell organelles are there? Actually the endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complexes, lysosomes, vacuoles, are vacuoles. Since the function of the mitochondria, chloroplast and peroxisome is not coordinated with these, so endomembrane system में what all are included? Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, lysosome and vacuoles. But mitochondria, chloroplast and peroxisome are considered as non-endomembrane system. अगर कोई पूछे what are endomembrane system, so up to here the endomembrane system is there, and from here mitochondria, chloroplast and peroxisome are non-endomembrane system. Okay, as I have written here, non-endomembrane system. Now we are here coming to the first part of the endomembrane system, that is endoplasmic reticulum. You know the nuclear membrane. Outside the nuclear membrane or outside the nucleus, the microscopic structures are there and which are forming the network. As this is the nucleus, half part of the nucleus is shown, and these endoplasmic reticulum are shown in the elaborated form. These are the tubular structures and they are surrounding, forming a network around the nucleus. And these tubular structures, endoplasmic reticulum, are actually of two types, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. If ribosomes are attached over the endoplasmic reticulum, then they are called as rough endoplasmic reticulum, and if they are free of ribosome, then they are called as smooth endoplasmic reticulum. So these ribosomes are actually the site of protein synthesis. So these rough endoplasmic reticulum are associated with the synthesis of protein, and these smooth are associated with the synthesis of lipid. Okay, so now here what they have given, this is all about what I have discussed you is given here, that endoplasmic reticulum are forming, these are the tubular structure forming the network around the nucleus, and they are actually having a distinct compartment within. हर एक ट्यूब्यूल है तो उनके अंदर भी एक कंपार्टमेंट है, सो दैट यू कैन से व्हाट दिस इज़ वे, कि जैसे मान लीजिए ये सेल हो गया, ये न्यूक्लियस है और ये एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम है, तो इसके अंदर जो है दिस कंपार्टमेंट इज़ कॉल्ड एज ल्यूमिनल कंपार्टमेंट, और इसके बाहर वाला एक्स्ट्रा ल्यूमिनल कंपार्टमेंट इट विल बी कॉल्ड एज। मतलब कि साइटोप्लाज्म को दो में डिवाइड कर दिया, ल्यूमिनल कंपार्टमेंट, एक्स्ट्रा ल्यूमिनल कंपार्टमेंट विद इन दी endoplasmic reticulum and outside the endoplasmic reticulum tubular structures. Then these are of two type, as we have discussed. RER, rough, is associated with protein synthesis and smooth is associated with the synthesis of lipid. Okay, this is all about endoplasmic reticulum. Next video is about Golgi complex.